In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Fluent Forms with your favorite email marketing software or CRM. And of course, you can check out the link to the documentation for this tutorial in the description down below. Alright, so from WordPress, we'll go to Fluent Forms once you have it installed already. And once you're on the dashboard, simply click on Integrations at the top. Okay, so here we just want to go ahead and turn on the mail opt-in integration. So I'm going to enable this. And once that's done, we can move back to the top of the page to click on the Forms tab. Okay, so now we'll have an option to add a new form, or we can select from one on the list. So I'll click on Settings for the subscription form. And once it opens up, click on Configure Integrations. Okay, now we'll move to the top right-hand corner and click on Add New Integration and select Mail Opt-in. Okay, so now we'll keep our default name and we'll move on to select our list. We'll choose the MailChimp one, and then we'll be able to see some MailChimp fields that we can go ahead and map. In our case, we only need to map the email field. So I'm going to find email. I'll use this drop-down menu and choose email. So we just mapped it to our forms email field, and now I'm going to go ahead and add a tag. Let's call it Fluent Forms. Okay, next I'll disable double opt-in. But in your case, you can go ahead and keep it on if you want to have users verify their subscription. Now, since we're done, I'm going to click on Save Feed. Okay, so once we're back on this page, we can click on the shortcode up top to copy it. And we're just going to go ahead and insert it into a page just to test out our form. So let's create a new page by hovering over New. And we'll click on Page. Okay, and I'll keep the name simple and I'll paste the shortcode right below. Once that's done, we can publish our page. And once it's published, we can click on View Page. Okay, so here's our form. I'll add a temporary email. Let's subscribe. So once this is done, we'll go to MailChimp to see if it worked. We'll go to All Contacts, and we should see the information we just entered right here. All right, so this is how you connect Fluent Forms to your email marketing software. Thanks for watching and see you next time.